Hello everyone and welcome to my iOS 12.4.1 jailbreak tutorial. And this is actually really easy to do and works with any iOS 12 device. From the device you wish to jailbreak, you simply start Safari and go to Unjailer.com. And here they will explain how this works and tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken. But you can, of course, install apps that has been approved by Apple. So what they did, they simply hid the jailbreak inside of an approved application. So you now get an approved application that you can install that has Cydia and the jailbreak inside of it. You can read for yourselves. But anyway, head over to unjailer.com and scroll to the bottom. Then you click on this icon here to get to the free jailbreak injected apps store. Now, of course, all of these apps are 100% free. So you can just pick any app here. However, these apps do get patched from time to time. So if you download an app and run it and nothing happens within 30 seconds, then it means that that app has been patched. But you just need to try another one. Usually it works right away. Sometimes you need to try a few times before it works. Come on. There we go. What is this? Come on. Okay, guess I can't download that one. Okay, let's try another one. And now we're simply going to download this app and then run it. And what the hell? Oh, there we go. Unless this app has been patched, now we should see a respring within 30 seconds. If nothing happens, then just continue down the list and try the next app. Usually it works right away. Like I said, all of the apps are of course 100% free, so you got nothing to lose. So we're just going to download a jailbreak injected app, and then we install it, and then we run it. And now when we start this app, then Cydia and the jailbreak will be installed in the background. And when the jailbreak and Cydia is finished installing in the background, we will see a respring. And after the respring, we will have Cydia on the device, and we will of course be jailbroken. You can't have Cydia if you're not jailbroken. There are fake apps called Cydia, but they're not really apps. They're like profiles or crap. Anyway, you cannot install Cydia if you're not jailbroken. That's a fact. If anyone else tells you differently, they are lying. Hopefully it will be done sometime today. There we go. Now we're going to start this app and keep it running for about 30 seconds. Hopefully the jailbreak and Cydia is being installed in the background right now, and hopefully we should see that. There's the respring. That's a good sign. And lo and behold, there's Cydia. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak iOS 12.4.1. If you like this video and find it helpful, please do comment, rate and subscribe and all that. And thank you for watching. Bye.